You are going to love the 2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, Stitcher. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.